Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Aditutu. So I am going to be teaching you guys how you can put your face masks on your face, because I noticed that most people out there don't even know how to put their face masks on their face, and some people don't even know the benefits. Some people even thought face masks actually does all the things, like all the skincare problems. But in today's video, I am going to be teaching you guys what you need to do, the things you need to avoid. Then you are going to be learning a lot, so you want to keep watching. Okay, so now this is how the face mask, this is what I am using. I am using this collagen face mask. So this is going to help my skin. It is also going to help my collagen production, and it is an hydrating face mask. As you all know that face mask, sheet mask, whatever you want to call it, is always an hydrate. It's just like an hydrating serum that is going to hydrate your skin. We have different types of sheet masks out there: the one with collagen, the one with retinol, the one with vitamin C, the one with hyaluronic acid. So we have different types of them out there, but what they are just going to do is to heal your skin and also repair your skin for you. So in case you have a dry skin, your skin is always flaky, tight, dehydrated, then you want to add face masks into your skincare routine. It is going to hydrate your skin for you, help your skin looks plumpy and well hydrated. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it, how to put it on your face, so you guys should follow me. Okay, so I just finished washing my face. That is why my skin is looking a little bit dry, as you guys can see. So now let your skin be a little bit damp before you apply your sheet masks on. And if you want to apply toner on your face, this is now the time you can apply your toner on your face, then your sheet masks, okay, your face masks. But now I am not applying my toner. I'm just going in straight with my sheet masks. So that is what I am going to be doing in this video. Okay, so now this is it. It has this place that you are going to remove it like this. Can you guys see that? So now this is how you are going to apply your sheet masks on your face. So this is how it is. Normally this is how it is. It has this guide that is there. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do. So while I apply the sheet masks on my face, let's talk about the other type of sheet masks that we have out there. As I have said earlier, that we have different types of sheet masks. We have the one that contains glycolic acid, the AHAs, the BHAs. We have the one that contains retinoid, the one that contains aloe vera, the one that contains salicylic acid, the BHA, as I've said earlier. So if you want to buy that sheet mask, please know these two things. Know your skin types and your skin concerns. Your skin types is very important. Your skin concern is very important. So you won't just be wasting your money. I hope you guys get that, okay? So now, if you have a dry skin, you should know that you want to get a sheet mask that contains hyaluronic acid, that contains aloe vera, that is going to help and hydrate your skin. You can see that. And if your skin concern is to fade your hyperpigmentation, you want to get sheet mask that contains vitamin C, that contains alpha-arbutin, that contains kojic acid. These are going to help you with that. So you need to know your skin types and your skin concern. So now that you are aware of that, let's move to what you need to avoid when you are using this your sheet mask. Avoid leaving it for too long. The maximum time you can leave it on your face is 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove it, okay? Maximum is 30 minutes. Once you are done, the thing is dried on your skin, just leave it, remove it. And some people moisturize afterwards, but some people wash it afterwards rather. Some people wash it off, and why some people leave it. So depending on what you feel. Like me now, if you are using sheet masks that contains retinoid, that contains alpha hydroxy acid, like the glycolic acid, the mandelic acid, salicylic acid, these ingredients are going to make your skin sensitive to the sun. So you want to wash it afterwards, okay? But if you are using hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, like peptide, like hyaluronic acid, you want to leave it on your skin, okay? So that is what I think you guys should do. So if you are using the one that contains chemical exfoliants, make sure you wash it off afterwards. But if you are using the one that does not contain anything that is going to make your skin sensitive to the sun, then you leave it on. So I'm just going to give myself a time. I'm going to time myself right now in this video. I time myself 20 minutes. So once I am done, my phone is going to alert me that it is time to remove the face mask. So now the leftover that is inside the mask, put it on your neck, your hair, the other part of your body, make sure you are putting them there. It is also going to help those areas as well. I hope you guys get that. So now let's talk about let's continue with what we need to avoid. Avoid reusing your marks. I saw someone reusing her sheet marks. Like, who does that? See, avoid reusing it, okay? Don't use that. It's not going to do your skin any good, okay? And don't use it too often. Like, don't overuse it. If you are using a chemical exfoliant sheet mask, make sure you use it 2 to 3 times in a week. But if you are using an hydrating sheet mask, if you have the money, you can use it every day. But if you as we all know that the economy is not smiling, okay, so you can use it you can use it the other day, like you alternate, like you use it today, you skip tomorrow, you use it the other day, okay? So that is how you're gonna do it. So that is that, guys. Now let's talk about how to use these sheet masks. Make sure your skin is clean. Don't apply it on a dirty skin, okay? Once your skin is clean, then you apply your toner. Your toner should be the next step. But if you are not applying your toner just the way I did in this video, you can just go straight to your sheet mask and apply your sheet mask, okay? Then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you remove it from your skin and seal it in with your moisturizer. Moisturizer too is optional. If you want to leave it on, you can leave it on like that. If you don't want to use your moisturizer, you just want to go in with your sunscreen direct, you can do it that way. But if you feel like your skin is well hydrated, then you can skip moisturizer. But if your skin is not that hydrated, then you can use your moisturizer. So moisturizer is optional depending on your own desire, okay? So that is that. So your sheet mask is going to help you with your hydration, dullness of the skin, suit your skin, help you with your fine lines and wrinkles. It is going to plump your skin, make your skin looks well hydrated, heal your skin for you. So what face masks cannot fix? These are the things it cannot fix. It cannot fix your severe acne or scarring. It cannot fix your severe hyperpigmentation and dark spot. It cannot fix your large pores. It cannot fix your blackhead or your whitehead. So your normal skincare routine, because I saw someone that asked that, can she use this sheet mask instead of the serum? Please don't do that. Make sure you use your serum that is going to target that issue for you, because these sheet masks are not going to do the job. Like, they're not going to do the job at all. They are just supporting that serum that you have, okay? They are just supporters. They are not going to tackle that for you. I hope you guys get that. So that is that. So the price I got this sheet mask, I think I got mine for about 2,000 naira. So let's just say from 1,500 naira to 2,000 naira, you'll be getting your sheet mask, okay? So that is it. And girl, you are going to be glowing. The sheet mask is a very, very good thing. They are supporters you can as well use in your skincare routine that is going to give your skin that hydration that you actually wanted. It is going to give you that glowing and a radiant skin as well, okay? I hope you guys found this helpful. If you do so, please, what are you still doing? Please kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on your post notification bell button to be notified whenever I post amazing content like this one. So guys, make sure you also share this video to your family and friends, okay? So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Till then, remain blessed and stay safe, okay? Bye. Love you guys. Bye.